Dear, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to make your TikTok account public. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Now click on the profile. If you want to make your account public, it means that everyone will be able to see or follow your account easily without your permission. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on the privacy. You can see here private account. If you turn it off and switch account, then your account will be public. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.